Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. Today you are going to learn a best Linux interview questions and answers for freshers which are in DevOps. So let's begin. With the help of chatgpt, I'm trying to asking and I'm trying to explain you how you can probe your answer. So let me go to access my chatgpt here. Suggest best Linux interview questions and answers for DevOps freshers. Yes, now I'm trying to sending my query to like a ChatGPT AI tool. So what the information we'll get, let's see. If you are seeing a first time this video lecture from this channel, please do subscribe and you will get much more relevant to the IT information from this channel. So here, see, whenever you are trying to attending in a platform of DevOps, first you need to understand very clearly DevOps tools questions. So what is DevOps and what the tools you are standard in terms of to complete the DevOps configuration and concept, CI/CD pipelines and repository questions to pull the code and push the code, and automation system, how you can make a build with web servers. These are the things very essential for beginners to understand and learn. Let's see, ChatGPT is also offering a great questions. What is Linux and what are its key features? So the first question it is asking about to the Linux operating system. So Linux is a free and open source operating system which is based on Unix flavor. It's known for its stability, security and versatility. Key feature includes supporting multiple users, multitasking, hierarchical file system and a large repository for open source softwares. So using a Linux operating system, all you can make it your environment securely. And the second question, explain the difference between Linux and Unix. So Unix is a proprietary operating system developed in 1970s, while Linux is a free and open source operating system based on Unix. Linux many of the same features how Unix system is having, but it's available free and has a much larger community for developers as well as the users in real-time industry. Next question, what is the purpose of /etc/password passwd file in Linux operating system? So etc password is the Linux stores the information about the user accounts, including the username, encrypted password, user ID and group ID, which is the user is having in a group or it's having a unique identity. So this is a very important for any of the Linux administrator. And explain the differences between soft link and hard link in Linux. Yes, this is to identify where the files are going to be linking on internal connectivity, the file path setting, which is also called a symbolic link. So is a pointer of another file that is acts as alias names of the original file, like we can say in Windows like shortcuts. And hard link is the other hand, the direct link of the original file treated as a same file by the operating system. If the original file is deleted, the hard link still provides the access to its data, while soft link would be broken. The next question, what is the role of the init process in Linux boot process? So init process is the first process started in the Linux kernel during the booting of the operating system. it is responsible for starting all other system processes and shutting down, restarting, and doing any of controlling of any apps which you are already installed in the computer system. The init process typically defines /etc/init tab file. The next question, how do you manage services in Linux? So in Linux, services are managed using service command systemctl, which is a very important to control your services in your operating system. Both commands allows you to start, stop, restart the services what already or what are having in your computer system the services. Yes, also you may check the status of the application and how it is configured with the ports, what the permissions are having the particular services. Here any app you may see that as a service we can see in Linux operating system. Using systemctl command using new versions of Linux which are recently introduced. I hope if you feel these video interview questions and answers are helping you at any time for your basic beginners interview questions, please do subscribe for more videos from this channel. Thank you.